Today we will be doing percentages of the CAT syllabus. Suppose we have a ratio 2/6. If you multiply it with 100, then it becomes a percentage. So 2/6 is 33 and 1/3%. Now, in percentages, it is quite helpful to remember certain basic things. For example, 1/2 is 50%. 1/3 is 33 1/3%. 2/3 is 66 and 6/7%. 1/4 is 25%. 2/4 is 50%. 3/4 is 75%. 1/5 is 20%. 2/5 is 40%. 3/5 is 60%. 4/5 is 80%. 1/6 is 16.67%. 2/6 is 33.33%. 3/6 is 50%. 4/6 is 66.67%. 5/6 is 83.33%. One upon 7 is 14.28%. 2/7 is 28.57%. 3/7 42.85%. 4/7 57.15%. 5/7 is 71.72%. 6/7 is 85.71%. 1/8 is 12.5%. 2/8 is 25%. 3/8 is 37.5%. 4/8 is 50%. 5/8 is 62.5%. 6/8 is 75%. 7/8 is 87.5%. 1/9 is 11.11%. 2/9 is 22.22%. 3 upon 9 is 33.33%. 4 upon 9 is 44.44%. 5 upon 9 is 55.55%. 6 upon 9 is 66.66%. 7 upon 9 is 77.77%. And 8 upon 9 is 88.18%. Now the percentages for 10 are very easy, so we will skip that. What about the percentages for 11? So percentages for 11 are as follows. So these are the percentages for 11. So these are the percentages for 11. Similarly for 12, these are the percentages. So these are the percentages for 12. Whenever a quantity changes, the change in the quantity is always given by percentage change into original quantity. So the percentage change may be an increase, it may be a decrease, but we find it by dividing the percentage change, rather multiplying the percentage change with the original quantity. Now suppose, let us say that the value of an item goes either up or down by X%, then the percentage reduction or increment required to bring it back is given by this. So the percentage reduction or increment required to bring it back to its original value is 100x by 100 plus minus x%. Suppose there is a quantity A it is x% more or less than B. So in that case we can say that B is 100x by 100 plus minus x percentage less or more than B. So if A is x% more or less than B, then B is 100x by 100 plus minus x% less or more than A. Now suppose there is a particular item whose price goes either up or down by x%, then the quantity consumed should be reduced or increased by 100x by 100 plus minus x%. So suppose the price of anything goes up or down by x%, in that case the quantity consumed should be reduced or increased by 100x by 100 plus minus x%. Suppose there is a quantity whose initial value is successively changed by P1%, then P2%, etc. Then the final value will be initial value into 1 plus or minus P1% into 1 plus or minus P2%, etc. On the other hand, suppose let us say that there is a quantity whose initial value is first increased by x%, and then increased by y%, in that case the percentage change will be x plus y plus xy by 100%. So the percentage change will be x plus y plus xy by 100%. So these are the concepts required for the topic percentages, and that brings us to an end of this session of percentages.